In Tidy, stock items are referred to as material items. Sometimes they're simply called materials or items. In this module, learn how to set up and add material items to your Tidy account. You'll use them to make sales, purchases, create assemblies and more. To add a new material item, head to Materials under the Global Settings tab. On the right, click on the New Material Item button. This screen will appear and you can begin filling out the material item information. Let's add the material item general purpose coated cable and add an item code. Select which material category it belongs to. If none of the categories are suitable, you can add a new one in the Material Categories tab. Next, enter a unit cost. This represents the cost to you of buying, receiving and storing each unit of this material item. Beside this, you'll see Unit Charge. This is the default price that customers will pay when they purchase this material item from you. Later on, you can apply discounts and pricing levels to this base unit charge. Next, set the stock level by clicking on the red pen. You can also set a stock reorder level, which enables Tidy to alert you when stock levels are low. A stock max level can also be set, which prevents you from ordering and storing too much of this material item. Lastly, choose a supplier and default location for this material item and click Save. This general purpose coated cable is now available for you to buy and sell. To learn about the more advanced fields in material items, see the modules on the difference between managed and unmanaged items and how to use catalogue pricing.